people walk across the campus at the Colorado School of Mines each and every day. And this weekend, one of those people stopped here at this construction site and swiped a radioactive item.
Somebody obviously had to have taken it without knowing what they took. Somebody made a really bad decision in taking that box.
That job box contained a nuclear density gauge containing small amounts of radioactive material. When activated, the gauge releases radioactive isotopes into the ground to measure soil density. It's equipment handled very carefully by the crews that use it.
Much like somebody who gets, who does X-rays, we have to wear badges on all our technicians that tracks the amount of radiation that they receive.
So long as it's not tampered with, Brian Gigi says the gauge is safe. But if it's messed with, he says that thief or thieves could be putting themselves and those around them at serious risk for radiation exposure.
You get the Nuclear Regulatory Commission involved. You can potentially get the FBI involved, because it is a radioactive source.
That soil and materials testing company, Nino and More, is offering a $500 reward for any information that leads to the safe return of that gauge. Concrete testing equipment also swiped from that job site, but the company says that nuclear density gauge, certainly their biggest concern tonight. Kagan Harsha, Fox 31.
Yeah, understandably so. Kagan, thank you.